Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making dreamy pumpkin cheesecake squares. It's kind of like a pumpkin square. It's got cream cheese all swirled into it with a graham cracker crust. It smells amazing, the ingredients do. We're going to start with graham crackers. I bought the graham crackers that are already crushed, but you can buy the other, the whole graham crackers, and just put them in your processor and chop them all up. Either way, this is easier for me right now, so I did that. 1.5 cups of graham crackers, and we got 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 7 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to mix that together. I've got my oven at 325. And I got a square pan, and I put parchment paper on the bottom and sprayed it with a little cooking spray, just to make sure these things come out nice and easy. Nothing like graham cracker smell. I just like just eating them. Just plain. But a lot of people eat them with peanut butter. Since COVID, I just don't like peanut butter for some reason. I used to love it, but not anymore. It changes your taste buds. I got that all mixed up. I'm going to put them in my pan. This is very festive looking. And that cream cheese, just, if you don't like pumpkin, the cream cheese, will help it. We're gonna push it down. You don't have to go up to the sides, just push it down on the bottom. I got this neat little bottle right here. I'm just taking it and packing it down. You can use, anything, but this is handy, That's what it should look like. Now we're going to make the filling. It's 3 8 ounces of cream cheese softened. You want it real soft. I just put mine out for a couple hours, made it soft enough. You want your eggs too at room temperature. And I have 1 cup of sugar. I put the sugar in. That is 1 cup of sugar. And I'm going to mix that. And I have 3 eggs, and I'm going to put them in one at a time and mix. And I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to mix in. I've mixed my cream cheese mixture up. Now I'm going to do the pumpkin. And it is 3/4 cup of canned pumpkin. And I think I got the pumpkin here. Yeah, just buy a can of this. And 1½ teaspoons of pumpkin spice. Oh, it smells so good. We're going to mix that together. It'll be a little dark because of that. So we're going to pour the cream cheese into the pan. And then we're going to dollop the pumpkin. And then we're going to take the knife, I'm going to swirl it. I've swirled it, and I'm going to put it on a cookie sheet and put it in the oven at 325 for 40 to 45 minutes. I'm going to check it at 40 minutes, you know, but when it's nice and not jiggly, it'll be done, and then you have to let it cool off. I've taken the pumpkin cheesecake squares out of the oven. I checked it at 40 minutes, but it wasn't, it was still moist. So we left it in there 10 more minutes. It all depends on your oven, so just start checking it at 40. You let it sit cooling until room temperature, and then you put it in the fridge at least 6 hours. I'm going to do mine overnight, and then you'll be able to cut it. Down in the comments, let me know what kind of cheesecake you like. You like toppings or something else swirled into it? Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise. Down in the description is the recipe with a link to a printable recipe. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.